Hello, I'm Stuart. Before we start, we want to share that this video uses AI for graphics and voice, but all the information is manually researched by our team. Here in the video, we will share the details for the Domino's error code MVS404. The error message reads, "Invalid voucher. Sorry, this voucher cannot be applied to your basket." This error occurs when users try to apply a voucher code to their order, but the system does not accept it. Based on our research, this issue commonly happens when using vouchers from promotions, university welcome packages, or compensation codes for delayed deliveries. According to our research, this error may be caused by location restrictions, meaning the voucher is only valid at specific Domino's locations. It could also be related to account settings or network issues. First, check if the voucher is location-specific. Some vouchers are only valid at the Domino's store where they were issued. If you received the code from a university welcome package or as compensation, try using it only at the Domino's store linked to that promotion. If you are in a different city, the code may not work. If the error still comes, then try different ways to apply the voucher. You can switch between the app and browser. Try logging out and applying the voucher as a guest. If you are on Wi-Fi, try switching to mobile data or vice versa. At last, if nothing helps, then we suggest you reach out to the Domino's support for further assistance. Thanks for watching. This is all we have for the error. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. See you in the next one.